Hi friends, this is Dr. J.D. Basan. Today we are going to discuss some more examples of the Archimedes spiral. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the basics of the Archimedes spiral and some of the examples related to the Archimedes spiral. We go for more practicing of the Archimedes spirals. Let us take an example. In this example, a link OA 80 mm long oscillates around O 60 degree to the right and returns to its initial vertical position with uniform velocity. Meanwhile, point P, initially on O, starts sliding downwards and reaches an A with uniform velocity. Draw locus of point P. Now from this example, how can we identify that this is the Archimedes spiral example only? So for Archimedes spiral, it is compulsory that the uniform movement of the oscillation, it must be equal to and with the uniform velocity of the linear motion of the slide. So here both should be uniform, that is the oscillation movement as well as the linear movement, both these motions are uniform. Then and then we can say that the spiral is an Archimedes spiral example. Now let us starting the example with the link. So draw a line OA that is equal to 80 mm vertical positions. From O, draw another line on the right side at 60 degree angle. So here we draw an arc which is joining the rightmost position of the link, which is at 60 degree angle. Now divide this line into number of equal parts. So we divide the extreme right position of the line into 4 equal parts. So give the marking as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now after moving to the rightmost position, let's again go back to the initial positions and give the numbering also into the clockwise direction, and at the end we have the A8 point. So we divide the total oscillation movement of the link into 8 equal parts. Hence, we have to divide the linear movement of OA also into the same 8 equal number of divisions. And as it starts from O and ends at A, so give the numbering from O and end point should be the A point. So here 1 will be at the topmost positions and 8 will be at the downward positions. Now the method remains the same as we discussed in the previous videos. So take center at O, radius equal to O to 1, draw an arc which intersect link O1 A1 into point P1. Draw an arc up to here. Now the same thing we have to repeat for the second point. So take center at O, radius equal to O to 2, draw an arc again to O to 2 link which is intersecting at point P2. Same thing we repeat for all the points of the oscillating link and give the numbering accordingly. So here we are getting point P3, P4 will be the extremely linked positions, that is PA4. Again come back to on the clockwise direction, we are getting at P5, P6 will be on O to A6, P7 will be on O to A7, and last point will be on the A point, that is the extremely end point of the A, that is your P8 point. Join all these points with the smooth curve, we are getting the spiral, that is the Archimedes spiral of the said example. So this is how we can go for the example, solving this particular example. Now let us go with another example. Here it is just the modification of the previous example. So here the link OA 80 mm long oscillates around O 60 degree to the right, then 120 degree to left and returns to its initial vertical position with uniform velocity. Meanwhile, point P initially on O starts sliding downwards, reaches an A and returns to O again with uniform velocity. Draw locus of point P. Here again the sliding movement and the oscillating moments both are uniform. That is why this is to be called as the Archimedes spiral. So let us start drawing the example. Draw a link OA that is equal to 80 mm. Now it is moving towards right to 60 degree angle. So draw a line OB at 60 degree angle on the anti-clockwise direction or to the right of the link OA. Now from OB it go back to 120 degree on left, so 60 degree it will come to the horizontal positions and again 60 degree on the left hand side of the link of OA. So we are getting the position of link OC, which is at 120 degree from OB and 60 degree to the link OA. Now after it moves to the extreme left positions at OC positions, again it will come back at original positions OA. So this is how the link is moving 60 degree to the right, 120 degree to left and again 60 degree to right, and it comes to the original position of OA. So remember one thing, the numbering should be always been given as the link moves. So as it moves to OA to OB, so we divide OA OB into number of equal division. So we divide this into 4 equal parts. Similarly, now we divide the arc between OA and OC also into the same equal number of 4 divisions. Now give the numbering. As it moves from OA, that is the initial positions, towards OB, so give the numbering as A1 to A4 to the OB. Now after it moves from OB, it go back to the left hand side, so give the numbering also into the same direction, that is A5 to A8. Now from A8 again it moves towards the left hand side, so give the numbering from A9 to A12, so it will reach to the position of OC. And from OC it comes back to its original position OA, so give the numbering accordingly, that is A13, A14, A15 and A16, that will be your end position. Hence total oscillation divisions we are getting for the entire movement as 16. And now the linear movement of the link as it given in the examples, that point P is initially O, starts line downwards reaching and A and returns to O positions again. So from O it goes to A and again comes back to the position of O. So we divide the total linear motion into 16 equal parts. Hence OA will be divided into A and again A to O, A divided into the 8 parts. So OA will be divided into 8 parts and again A to O will be divided also into the 8 equal parts. So we are getting 8 plus 8, 16 equal parts of the linear motion. So one thing you keep it in mind, that total number of oscillation movement must be equal to the total number of the linear movement. Then drawing Archimedes spiral is very simple. It is similar to the whatever we discussed in the previous examples. So take center at O, radius equal to O to 1, draw an arc which intersect the link positions OA1 into point P1. Similarly, take center at O, radius equal to O to 2, draw an arc so that intersect the link of OA2 at point P2. Same method we adopt for all the rest of the 16 points. Okay, I think you must be knowing how to draw the Archimedes spiral, how to get the different points, okay, by the same method. So we are not going to discuss all these things. So O2 P3, then P4, come back again, we are getting P5, then P6, then P7, P8 will be the exactly at the halfway, that is at the A point. Now going towards the left hand side, we are getting P9, P10, P11, P12, P13, P14, P15 and P16 will be the endpoint O. Join all these points with a smooth curve. We are getting the Archimedes spiral of the said example. So this is how we can draw the Archimedes spiral of this particular examples. Okay. Now we can go for one more example, that is A monkey at 20 meters slides down from a rope. It swings 30 degrees on either sides of rope, initially at vertical position. The monkey initially at top reaches at bottom when the rope swings about 2 complete oscillations. Draw the path of the monkey sliding downward, assuming motion of the monkey and the rope as uniform. So here in this example, the motion of the monkey is the linear motion and the rope is moving and the oscillating motion. So this is how the both are uniform, and that is why it is to be called as the Archimedes spiral. Now this same type of example, can be asked in number of different ways. Now let us say the same type of example, how it can be asked in the another way. So here an NCC cadet slides down a rope 20 meter long tied on a horizontal crossbar above the ground level. So the total height is given as 20 meter. Here also total height is 20 meter. The cadet takes 12 seconds for its downward journey on the rope. So 12 seconds, for the 12 seconds the cadet slides from the top and reaches at the bottom. That is, the total journey of the cadet is 12 seconds. While the rope swings on both the sides at 30 degrees each. So while the cadet is moving downward, uniformly the rope swings on either side at 30 degree angle with the vertical initial positions. And here also is given that the complete its one oscillation in 6 seconds. So 6 seconds it completes one full oscillation. Now what is full oscillation? That we'll discuss in the while solving the example. So one full oscillation takes 6 seconds. So for 12 seconds it will take 2 oscillations. So theoretically these two examples are identical to each other, only the language has been changed. Otherwise the matter, everything remains same. Now let us discuss how to solve this particular example. So OA has been given as 20 meter, theta is 30 degree on either side, and total oscillation has been given as 2 oscillations. Okay, so draw a line OA that is equal to 20 meter. Take suitable scale and draw a line OA. Now draw angle theta on either side, and we are getting the arc. So this is the total oscillation of the movement of the monkey. Now remember that what do we mean by the oscillation? So here OA is the initial positions. So from OA, when it reaches to one of the extreme end, okay, then come back to the another extreme end and then reaches to the initial position, that would be considered as one full oscillation. So from initial position to one extreme position, then another extreme position, and come back to the vertical position. So that is to be considered as one full oscillation. Now divide this arc into number of equal parts. Say we divide this portion into 3 equal parts and divide the other portion also into the same number of divisions. So that means we have divided the total arc angle theta, that is 60 degree, into 6 equal divisions. Now as it is moving from OA, so give the numbering from the as the monkey moves in the direction. Now remember, give the numbering accordingly so that it is easier to solve the examples. Okay, so as it moves we give the numbering, and as it ends we stop the numbering. So from here, as it moves, suppose in the left hand side, so give the numbering 1, 2 and 3. So it reaches to the extreme end of the left, then again it come back on the right hand side, so give the numbering 4, 5 and 6. 6 it will come to the position of 8, and now again it moves over the right side, give the numbering at 7, 8 and 9. So that is the extreme end on the right hand side. Again it moves back to the position of OA, that is give the numbering as 10, 11 and 12. So that means when the rope moves towards one end, towards other end and come back to the original positions, so one full oscillation has 12 equal number of divisions. As it has 2 oscillations, So again we give the numbering on the same direction as 13, 14 and 15. 16, 17 and 18 will be again the vertical positions, and on the other side, that is 19, 20, 21, and again going back to the OA position, that is 22, 23 and 24. So this is how for two oscillations we divide the total angular oscillation into 24 equal number of divisions. Now the linear movement of the monkey from the top to the bottom is also should be equal to 24 equal number of divisions. Okay, so now we divide O to A into same number of 24 divisions, and as it starts from O and from A, so 24 divisions should be at A and 0 position will be at O position. Now we divide the linear movement of the rope OA into same number of division of 24, that is equal to the oscillation of the monkey. Now we know that how to draw the Archimedes spiral as we discussed in the previous examples. Taking center at O, radius equal to O to 1, draw an arc. Okay, we are getting the point P1. So here draw an arc corresponding arc from each points. We are getting the different number of positions. Okay, so P1 is here, P2 will be here, P3 will be on the third point, P4 will be on the fourth point, P5 will be on the fifth line, P6 will be on the vertical line of OA, P7 will be on O7 at P7, P8 will be on O to 8, and P9 will be on the extremely right position of the link at P9. Similarly, we give the numbering accordingly. Okay, P15 will be on the 15th path, and P21 will be on the extremely on the right side of the 21 position of the rope, and P24 will be exactly at the A position. So this is how, while joining all these points with the smooth curve, we are getting the Archimedes spiral of the given data. So this is how, when the monkey slides downward with the rope moving 30 degrees on either side, the path would be like this. So this is how we can draw a practical examples related to the Archimedes spiral. Now in the another example, the similar one, that is OA is 20 meter, this is a similar one. Theta is 30 degrees on either side, that is the NCC cadet is moving 30 degrees on either side. Now total time for the downward journey is 12 seconds. So when it moves, starts from O, it reaches at point A, the total time taken by the cadet is 12 seconds, and it is given in the example that one full oscillation time is 6 seconds. So when it moves from O to A, that is 12 seconds, so total 2 oscillation should be there to reach on the ground. So the language is different, but the example is the same. So this is how we can have the practical example related to the oscillation in this particular video. So in this video we have discussed only examples related to the oscillation of the link. Okay, thank you so much, and in the next video we are giving some typical examples related to the Archimedes spiral. Thank you so much for listening me carefully.